perfect weather for sipping a cup of tea while gazing out the window.
Oh no, it's raining! Now my uniform will get all wet. This will hinder our vision. We must remain vigilant.
Cryo is always far more effective in the rain. This is going to get interesting.
If you're scared of lightning, hide now. Avoid the trees. Follow me.
Let's go jumping in puddles and see who can make the biggest splash.
The rain won't slow me down. It always rains when I go on an adventure.
Taking a stroll in the middle of a downpour certainly rouses the spirit. But it's best to dry your clothes as soon as possible after the rain stops.
Quick! Under the umbrella, or you'll get soaked. You can't risk catching a cold, because it might turn into something more serious. And if that happens... well, I can't go avenging my clan by picking on the sick now, can I?